Welcome to today's video. So let's dive right into the problem at hand. A user recently encountered an issue after updating their Spree version from 4.4 to 4.6. Despite updating everything accordingly, the problem persisted specifically with the Checkout API. Frustrating, right? The user shared error images showcasing the issue, seeking a solution to this persistent problem. Let's see how this was resolved. The key to solving this problem was related to webhooks. By simply including Spree, Webhooks, HasWebhooks to the overridden order.rb file, the user was able to successfully resolve the issue. The addition of this specific code snippet played a crucial role in fixing the Checkout API problem. Sometimes it's the smallest changes that can make the biggest difference. And in this case, it was all about understanding and implementing the right code snippet. In conclusion, tackling software issues can be a challenging yet rewarding experience. In this scenario, the user faced a common problem post-updating their Spree version, but managed to overcome it by adding a specific code snippet. Remember, persistence and a bit of coding know-how can go a long way in troubleshooting such situations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!